founders, I'm Catherine, and welcome to Beauty Launch Atelier. If you've ever dreamed of launching your beauty brand or of turning early wins into a strategic, sustainable business, but feel overwhelmed by what to do next or first, you've come to the right place. After 15 plus years launching award-winning products and driving sustainable growth for indie beauty disruptors, along with global beauty brands such as Shiseido, L'Oreal, Declior, and Carita, I've learned that successful beauty launches don't happen by chance. They happen by design. Today, I'm breaking down my 90-day launch blueprint, the very same framework I use with beauty founders to take them from idea to pre-launch momentum. Let's jump right in. In my experience, many new founders waste months bouncing between logo design, packaging, social media without a real intentional strategy. Don't get me wrong, these are all very important aspects of any successful launch. But what they seem to miss is that every successful launch has three main clear stages: foundation, visibility, and conversion. Each stage builds on the other in a virtuous cycle of strategy. When you follow this approach, you stop guessing and start growing even before your very first sale. Let's break this down into three distinct phases. Phase one, your foundation, your first 30 days. This is your strategy month. Your foundation is everything. Here you'll clarify your hero product, your pricing, your audience persona, your brand story, your competitive analysis, your framework. This is your foundation. Your strategy is your secret weapon. Don't skip this part. Phase two, visibility, your next 30 days. Start showing up. Here you start to build your pre-launch email list. You start to create behind the scenes content. You start to post teaser content on your social media channels. The goal here is anticipation, buzz, excitement before the product drops. Phase three, conversion, your last 30 days. Launch season is here. Open early access, nurture your email list, roll out your 5-part email sequence. The goal here, a confident, data-driven debut, not a stressful scramble. Let's bring it all together. Why do it this way? When you treat your launch like a 90-day plan versus a one-time event, everything changes. You launch with intention, you measure what works, and you really set yourself up for long-term success. I've seen founders go from 0 followers to sell-out launches, not because they had big budgets, but because they had clarity. If this framework and approach helped you see your launch in a new light, I invite you to download the mini launch audit worksheet below. It'll really help you identify your North Star, map out your next 90 days so that you know where to focus first. If you're ready to go deeper, I invite you to join the waitlist for my upcoming course, From Scrappy to Strategic, which will provide beauty founders with a step-by-step go-to-market framework so that you may scale your beauty brand like a pro, minus the guesswork. If you're looking for personalized guidance, explore working with me one-on-one through my agency, Atelier Sky, a boutique marketing agency designed to service founder-led beauty brands. And finally, don't forget to subscribe for weekly insights, frameworks, and strategies to help you build a beauty brand that lasts. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.